Arum triphyllum, also known as Indian turnip or jack in the pulpit, it is of family Araceae proved by Dr. Jeans. Arum maculatum, italicum and draconium also has the same action as of Arum triphyllum. It is one of the most effective remedy for an acute cold. Acridity is the keynote of action characteristic to Arum triphyllum, and it is a left-sided remedy. Sphere of action is mainly on mucous membranes, mouth, throat, and larynx. It also acts on kidneys, brain, blood, and skin. Ailments are from exposure to northwest winds, getting cold, or from overuse of voice. Generally bores head into the pillow. Headache is aggravated from heat in warm room, from warm clothing or wrapping up the body, and from hot coffee, with quivering of left upper eyelids. Coming to the most important particular of the drug, there is great soreness of nostrils, mouth and throat. Children refuse food and drinks on account of great soreness of mouth and throat like mud sore and are sleepless. It is because of its acrid excoriating discharge. It excoriates inside of nose, alae and upper lip like arsenic and allium sipa, constantly picks at the nose until it bleeds, bores with the finger into the side of nose. Coryza is acrid, ichorous, watery and blood tinged. Nose is completely stopped up in spite of the fluent acrid discharge, must breathe through the mouth, with sneezing which aggravates at night, accompanied with chills over the body, and aching in the bones as if bones would break like nux vomica, eupatorium, arnica, rustrox, bryonia and arsenic that have aching all over during cold. Patients picks and bore into the raw bleeding surfaces, though very painful, scream with pain but keep up the boring. The sore mouth and nose are guiding in malignant scarlatina and diphtheria. He pick lips until they bleed. Corners of mouth are sore, cracked and bleeding. And if they are with malignant tendency, then Kundurango is indicated. He also bite nails until finger bleeds. Sina also bores the nose and picks the lips, but Sina has more of the congestive and nerve symptoms. Strawberry tongue is the characteristic of Arum triphyllum. When the tongue is projected out, it looks like a big red strawberry. There is complete aphonia after exposure to northwest winds like aconite and parcel, from singing like argentum nitricum, causticum, phosphorus and selenium. Also has swelling of submaxillary glands. Throat feels constricted and swollen, burn, and is raw with constant hawking, hoarseness with expectoration of much mucus, and lungs feel sore. Clergyman's sore throat is the characteristic. In this, the voice is hoarse, uncertain, uncontrollable. All the throat affections like soreness, hoarseness are aggravated by talking, speaking, or singing. In rust talks, hoarseness carries with its characteristic relief from motion, and the use of voice is motion of the larynx. In phosphorus, the hoarseness ameliorates from clearing the vocal cords of a little mucus. Saliva is profuse, acrid, corrodes the mucous membranes. Tongue and buccal cavity are raw and bleeding. Diarrhea is yellow like corn meal. It has the appearance of the typhoid yellow stools. Arum triphyllum is indicated in typhoid fevers with apathy, scanty or suppressed urine. Also indicated in conditions of desquamated skin, in large flakes in scarlatina. If symptoms agree, it can be given in conditions like acute cold, headaches associated with acute cold, hay fever with pain at the root of nose, coryza, aphonia on exposure to northwest winds and singing, cracked tongue, angular cheilitis, in typhoid fevers, clergyman's sore throat, in scarlatina, diphtheria, phthisis. It is said to be a palliative in phthisis. In skin affections like impetigo contagiosa, scarlet rashes, typhoid petechiae, in glandular swellings, also in conditions where urine is scanty and sometimes suppressed. You'll very commonly note a good action of this medicine in these complaints by immediately starting up a copious flow of urine, and it is a sign of relief. Generally, the symptoms are aggravated from northwest winds, from lying down on left side and at night. It can be compared with ammonium carb, ailanthus and allium sipa. It is given after hepar and nitricum acidum in dry hoarse croupy cough, after causticum and hepar in morning hoarseness, deafness, and in scarlatina. It antidotes buttermilk, aceticum acidum, and pulsatilla.